Hello grade ones, I hope you had a fantastic weekend and you are ready to start your home program for the week. I am still waiting for pictures of your kicking kings, quarrelsome queens and your minions, so please send them. I know some of you have, but I want to see all of yours, so please send them through to us. We're dying to see how you did. Today I'm going to teach you about number bonds. You're probably thinking, Miss Nassie, I don't know what a number bond is. And that's right, because we haven't taught it yet. So I'm here to tell you about it. A number bond is looking at a big number and what it can be broken up into. It's two smaller numbers. This over here is going to help us. You can see we've got a big circle and connected to it are two smaller circles. So this will be our whole and these will be our parts that we break up the whole number into. And today we're going to look at bonds of 5. All the little friends that make up the number 5. Can you see there are lots of little friends in here that make up 5? There's a 4 and a 1. We can do a 3 and a 2. We can do what else can we do? A 2 and a 3. We can do a 5 and a 0. So there are many little things that can make up 5. And I'm going to show you how this helps us. So in my big circle, I'm going to write the number 5 because that is the number we're looking at, right? So slanty back, big fat tummy, land under his bum, and add his hat. Is that all right? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so let me show you an example. We have 5 dots in the corner. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to break up that whole number, which would be this, into 2 smaller parts, which are our small circles over here. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 dots and put them in there. And 3 dots and put them in here. Do you agree that this is 2? Let's check. 1, 2. Yes. Let me do a nice neat 2. And do you agree that this is 3? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let me do a nice neat 3 over there. Now, if I count those numbers all together, let's see what I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the number that we're aiming to get because they're connected. So if we connected all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would get our number 5. Okay, so I'm going to, in this corner, write 2 plus 3 equals 5. So we know that that is a bond of 5. 2 and 3 equal 5. Very good. Now, I'm sure there's another way we can make 5. Have you figured it out yet? Is there another way we could make 5? Give it a think. Now, number bonds help us to see how a number is put together quite visually. So we can actually see it in front of our eyes instead of thinking it in our mind. Okay. Have you figured out another one? Okay, I'm going to put 1 in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. Let's check. 1, slanty 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Slanty back, push forward. Now let's count that all together because these are connected. Let's put it over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! So 1 and a 4 together make 5. So that is a bond of 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now I'm writing that quite small. I hope you can all see that. Tick! Have you thought of another way we could make a bond of 5? Any other way you can make a bond of 5? I hope you're thinking. Break those dots up into 2 parts. How else could you do it? Let's try this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I wonder if you're noticing anything here. All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. So we have 3 and 2. Does that make 5 when it's put all together? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it does. So up here we can write 3 plus 2 equals 5. And if you got this, you're very, very smart and very observant. You can see that these numbers swapped around over here. It's exactly the same. 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So those are both bonds of 5. Very good. Have you spotted another way we could make 5? Any other way we could make 5? I'm sure you have. What happens if we did this? 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and 1 this way. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. And 1 over there. So at the top, I could write 1. Oh, sorry. I beg your pardon. 4, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our whole number. And I'm sure you spotted it again. Over here is 1 plus 4 equals 5, and over here now is 4 plus 1 equals 5. They just swapped around, but they mean the exact same thing. Can anyone think of another bond of 5? Another one. There is another one there. What do you think? What if I did this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I do that? Yes, I can. I can have 5 in this small circle and 0, don't say nothing, 0 in this circle. Because 0 is a number. We can't forget about that number. He is a number. So we could say 5 plus 0 equals 5. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus nothing equals 5. So let's write it down. 5 plus 0 equals 5. How are you doing with that, guys? I know it's the first time we've done bonds of 5, so very good job. What I want you to do now is pause this video and go and grab your blocks. I know my classes look like these, and they're those connector blocks. The other classes might be those Unifix blocks. If you can't find them, just grab 5 of your Legos or whatever you have at home and bring it to your tablet or your laptop or whatever you're working on. Pause this video and go and grab it. Right, are you ready? We're going to look at bonds of 5. So I only want 5 blocks in your hand. I want you to get rid of the rest because I know you have 10, but I only am looking at number bonds of 5 today. Got it? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to physically do number bonds now. In one hand, I would like you to have 1 block. And in the other hand, I would like you to have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Have you done that? Who can tell me what this bond of 5 is? Anyone? Have you got it? 1 plus 4 equals 5. Good job. So we have that one. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Fantastic, guys. The next bond I would like you to do is I would like you to have 3 in this hand and 2 in this hand. Can you do that? 3 in this hand and 2 in this hand. And can someone tell me the bond? How is this number 5 put together today? Right, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. I would like you to have nothing or 0 in this hand and 5 in this hand. Can you tell me the 2 numbers that make up 5 now? The numbers 0 plus 5 equals 5. Good job, guys. Now, before I go, you have worksheets for bonds of 5 on, let me have a look, on Wednesday that you have to complete. And I just want to show you what I'm expecting because it's something you've never done before. Over here is a bonds house, okay? A bonds house, very similar to our bond circle, except it's just in a house and all the numbers are here. In the roof, you have number 5, all right? Because we're looking at 5 as the whole number. Then all the way down here is the parts. So I've given you one of the numbers, and you need to figure out its partner. So let's have a look at the first one together. If I have 0 here and nothing here, what do I have to put here to equal 5? 0 plus what equals 5? 0 plus what equals 5? If I have nothing and I need to get to the answer 5, what do I need to put there? 5. Good job. So your first one, I'll write it nice and neatly, and I hope you're doing the same. Slanty back, big fat tummy, come around and cat. So the first one is done. 0 and 5 are a bond of 5. Let's look at the next one together. I have 1 and nothing. So let's have a look. Get my blocks out if you need help. I've got 1 over here. How many more do I need to get to 5? What's the partner? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, because 1 and 4 together is 5. So let me write it neatly. I can't do it upside down. I would write it in my bonds house. 1 and 4 is 5. And then I want you to try and do the rest by yourself. If you need your blocks to help you, go ahead and do that. Or on your whiteboard, you can draw your big circle and your 2 smaller circles to help you. Okay, whatever you need to help you. On the next page is also bonds of 5. So for this first little guy, let's have a look. We've got Pooh Bear over there. And in one of Pooh Bear's balloons, he has a 1. What do you think you're going to put in the other balloon to make 5? No, I'm not going to give that away. Just wanted to explain those worksheets to you. All right, grade 1s, thank you for tuning in, and I hope I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.